Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets. Stay with us. Press to opening colors. Wow, so many colors. Yes, forest green color. The next one is pale blue light color. Now we open the color of yellow. Yellow color. And the next one is emerald green color. Stay with us. Kids, now we open the color of coral red. Stay with us. Coral red color. Lavender color. Wow, so many colors. Stay with us. Vivid green color. Kids, the next one is mint blue color. And the next one is black color. The next one is cream color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet A to Z. Stay with us. The next one is scarlet color. And the next one is cool gray color. Now you open the color of yellow green color. Kids, the next one is raw silk color. Now we open the color of deep olive green color. And the next one is Persian blue color. And the next one is pale pink color. Now we open the color of rose big color. The next one is light violet color. Stay with us. The next one is baby blue color. Geranium color. Now you open the color of pastel pink. And the next one is warm gray color. And the last one is vivid purple color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we're writing the alphabet of A. Now we are using the color of pale pink color. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. Stay with us. G for God. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of I for eyes. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. M for mango. N for nose. O for octopus. And the next one is P for penguin. Yellow green color. Q for queen. Now we're writing Q. R for rose. S for sun. T. The next one is U for umbrella. Now we're writing the alphabet of V. And the next one is W for wolf. Kids, the next one is X for X-ray. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.